After downloading and opening the SlantRange toolbox, we next want to connect to the sensor's Wi-Fi. Power your sensor on and wait for lights to appear on the AIS. Make sure you are outdoors and away from any metal objects when conducting a compass calibration. Next, open up your computer's Wi-Fi settings and look for your sensor's Wi-Fi network. Uncheck Connect Automatically and enter your sensor's Wi-Fi password. For 4P sensors, the password is SlantRange, all lowercase. Once you are connected, return to the toolbox and select Sensor Calibration. Click Yes when asked if you are connected to the sensor's Wi-Fi network. In the calibration window, click on the compass icon to start calibration. Go ahead and click Start. You will then see this window with the aircraft shown in 6 different orientations. The toolbox will automatically recognize which orientation the aircraft is in and indicate that orientation with a yellow box. Once you see this yellow box with arrow, you can start to rotate your aircraft. Now the calibrations can be performed in any order, and you can spin the aircraft in either direction. Once you see a green box, you're okay to move your aircraft into the next orientation. Wait again for a yellow box to appear before starting to spin the aircraft. Once all calibrations are complete, go ahead and click OK. Power the sensor off, and once you power it back on, you're ready to start collecting data.